Are you facing the nightmare of a dead or damaged computer, fearing the loss of your precious files and applications? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process of restoring your files and applications from a damaged or dead computer. No need for extensive technical know-how. Let's get started. When your computer refuses to start, the first step is to stay calm and assess the damage. Is it repairable or do you need a replacement? If your computer is still accessible, back up your important files to an external drive. This can be a lifesaver. To recover files from a dead computer, remove the hard drive from the broken machine. It's easier than you might think. Now connect the removed hard drive to a replacement PC. You have a few options here. Use a USB hard drive enclosure to create a seamless connection. Alternatively, use a USB hard drive adapter to link the old drive to your new computer's USB port. If you have a desktop, you can even connect the old drive as a secondary internal drive. Once the old drive is connected to your new computer, it's time to recover your files and applications. You can search for and manually transfer necessary files from the old drive to the new computer. This method offers more control, but may take more time. There's a faster and more efficient option for a complete recovery. Consider using software like the Zinstall Migration Kit Pro. This tool can retrieve not only your files, but also your programs, emails, settings, documents, and more. Here's how to use it. Run Zinstall Migration Kit Pro on your new computer. The software will automatically detect the old drive. Use the advanced option to select the files and applications you want to recover. Click Next to proceed if you wish to recover everything at once. After a quick overview of the recovery process, click Go to start. There you have it, a straightforward process to restore your files and applications from a damaged or dead computer. Whether you opt for manual transfer or the efficient Zinstall Migration Kit Pro, your precious data is not lost forever. Remember, when disaster strikes, stay calm, follow these steps, and you'll have your digital life back in no time. Tech troubles may be frustrating, but with the right knowledge, you can conquer them. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay tech savvy.